Good morning class 2. I am your computer teacher. Today we will be revising the chapter keyboard which we had already discussed in the past few days, right? So I hope you remember this device, that is the input device. Today we will be doing all the revision of the keys. So let's see my next video for the revision of all the keys. So today we will be discussing about keyboard, the chapter which we had already discussed in the previous classes. It is just a revision of the chapter. We discussed about the alphabet keys or the letter keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. It helps to type letters, alphabets, words or sentences. Now on the screen you must have seen a picture on the slide. This displays the alphabet keys which are there on the keyboard and it helps us to type. Number keys. We discussed about the number keys which are 10 in total and the range is from 0 to 9. It helps to type numbers. You must have seen the number keys which are there on the keyboard and also displayed on the slide also, which is starting from 0 to 9. Space bar key. Now, in the picture, you must have seen the longest key which is there on the keyboard. And on your laptop, on your desktop or on the mobile also, you must have seen a long key which has no name. This key is known as the space bar key. Helps to give spaces between words, letters or numbers while the user is typing. Enter key. Enter key are there on the keyboard and you can see it in two places. One just below the backspace key and another on your right hand side, extreme right hand side on the numeric keypad as shown on the slide. And what is the use of the enter key? It helps to move the cursor to the next line. Arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Up, down, left and right arrow key as shown on the screen. The green box highlights the 4 arrow keys. They help us to move around the text on any text editor. For example, WordPad, MS Word. Now we have discussed till now WordPad. Now as you grow in class 3, you will be working with MS Word also. Right? So with this, when we are typing, we can move around the text with the help of these arrow keys. Caps lock key. Now caps lock key is on the extreme left hand side as shown in the picture on the slide. The blue highlighted key. This key helps to capitalize the alphabet keys while the user is typing. There are 2 modes of caps lock key, on and off. When the caps lock key is off, all the alphabets will be typed in small letters. Now children, when you want to capitalize the alphabets, you will press the caps lock key. And the moment you press the caps lock key, all the alphabets will be in capital letter. And the caps lock will be on, means active. And the moment you press it again, it will be in off. And all the alphabets will be in small letters, which we had already discussed in our practical classes also. Next is the backspace key. I hope you remember the backspace key and the delete key. Yes. This key helps to erase the alphabets, numbers or special symbols on the keyboard from the left side of the cursor. So whatever alphabets, numbers which are there on the left side of the cursor can easily be deleted with the help of the backspace key. In the image given on the slide, this is a backspace key. Last, delete key. Now delete key is highlighted on with the help of a red circle. You can see it on the laptop, on the desktop also, right? Now, what is the use of the delete key? It helps to erase the alphabets, numbers and special symbols from the right side of the cursor. I hope you remember when we were typing in the last practical class, whatever alphabets, numbers, special symbols that were in the right hand side, on the right hand side were easily deleted with the help of the delete key. I hope you will remember all these keys on the keyboard. Now for today, there is no homework. I hope you revise all these keys. Thank you so much.